This is the Centripetal Force Calculator for circular motion, which calculates the force required to keep an object moving in a circular path. Let's look at the input fields. First, there's a drop-down menu for input type, where you can select either linear velocity in meters per second or RPM, which stands for revolutions per minute. For this demonstration, I've selected linear velocity. Next, we have three input fields: mass in kilograms, velocity in meters per second, and radius in meters. For our worked example, I'll enter a mass of 10 kilograms, a velocity of 10 meters per second, and a radius of 10 meters. After clicking Calculate Centripetal Force, we get three results. The centripetal force is 100 newtons, which is the inward force needed to maintain circular motion. The centripetal acceleration is 10 meters per second squared, showing how rapidly the velocity direction changes. The angular velocity is 1.0 radian per second, indicating the rate of rotation around the circle. These values help engineers design everything from rotating machinery to curved roadways. Find the link in the description below.